Last week, media reports circulated of a bill before Parliament to take away idle money from dormant accounts, the story that assumed amendments to the National Payment System Bill 2019. Yesterday, a section of members of Parliament under the National Finance Planning Committee issued clarification on the matter as misleading.
And the cry was, why should the Uganda government be so cruel as to take people's money from their accounts?
The money should be safe and should be able to access that money anytime you are in need of that money.
The MPs argued idle money can be diverted to other sectors for national development.
Our concern is ensuring that these services are properly regulated and that they provide quality services, which is good for the citizens of Uganda.
The Ministry of Finance team, led by Matia Kasaija, and the Central Bank jointly refuted withholding and taxing idle money.
The government of Uganda has no intention at all in taking over or taxing unclaimed balances in the bank accounts or mobile money accounts.
The Finance Minister further explains that under the Financial Institutions Act 2004 and Section 83 of the Microfinance Deposit-Taking Institutions Act 2003, a dormant account is one that has not had activity for 2 years, and explains the procedures before declaration of dormancy.
It should be noted that any account may be transferred out of the register of dormant accounts if the depositor or if the depositor is dead, his or her legal representatives make such a request.
The Financial Institutions Act 2004 allows for a period of 10 years for any amount of money to be transferred to the Bank of Uganda if found dormant. The Deputy Governor, Bank of Uganda, clarifies on such an action.
We have estimates over the same period of about 700 million as of December 2014. And as of December 2018, we had about 9.53 billion. So that means if there's any of you out there who has unclaimed assets and you want to claim it, subject to what the Honorable Minister said.
Banks have, since the press claim, stepped up to denounce claims of money sleeping on accounts taken over by government. In a press statement today, the Uganda Bankers Association pointed out the National Payment System Act 2020 as key legislation of payment system, contrary to media reports. The public has also had mixed views.
Even in the hardest situation, they refuse to give us our money. So if we can afford to save our money, and again they are yet to say that we are going to take it if you save it.
I really support it simply because the money should be in economy. But you find in Uganda of today a lot of money, they are being held or with people who are not using the money. And that one has led our economy not to grow.
Parliament passed the National Payment Systems Act 2020 in May 2020 and assented to by the President on the 29th day of July 2020. The Act is aimed at regulating payment systems beyond the traditional systems, providing safety and efficiency of payment systems, providing the functions of the central bank in relation to payment systems, and providing for the establishment of the National Payment Systems Council, among others. Bernadette Apio for CTV PM Edition.